Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can paint textures in Maya and use it for other renderers like Arnold. So first of all, I'm going to create a plane, for example, and assign a new material, and probably Blend would work. And if you go to rendering workspace, you're going to see texturing, and there's a 3D paint tool. If you click on this little box icon here, now you can actually have this tool settings and this icon, brush icon, but you can actually paint on it. So to fix this problem, it says some surfaces have no file texture assigned to the current attribute. So what we have to do is just connect some node to the color attribute. So file would work, and if you try to paint on it, it actually works. And it shows nothing here in the image name, but if you actually go to Hypershade window and bring the graph network, it now has a IFF file, which is cool. Now we can make a copy of this object. Before I do that, let me exit the paint tool, and I'm gonna duplicate this object and assign new material. For example, I want to use AI standard surface from Arnold, and you can connect this image texture to whatever attribute you want to connect to. So for example, if I want to use this as a bump map, you should check on alpha is luminance in the image node, so it will have no problem loading up the alpha channel from this image. So let's use it as a bump map, for example. So you can create a bump to the node and connect the alpha to bump value and out normal to normal camera. And now if you go to the viewport, it's actually working, and you can select the original object and grab the paint tool again, and if you start to paint on this, it actually applies in real time. So if you are working on some minor details but you don't really feel like going into other softwares like Mudbox or Substance Painter, it's a pretty good alternative. In addition, when you paint on your object, you will notice the lines are not very sharp. It's kind of pixelated. That's because when you create your file node, it comes with a very low resolution, so you need to crank up the resolution to get more sharper edges and more clear image. So in order to change the resolution, you can go to your tool settings, and if you drag it down, you're gonna see file textures, and you're gonna see assign/edit textures. So you can just click on that, and now you can change the file size. The maximum resolution is 4K, I suppose. It doesn't go anywhere more than 4K, I think. And on top of that, you can choose your own preferred image format. For example, PSD or PNG. I would go with PNG since it's lighter. So if you click on this, it will take a bit. When it's done, you'll be good to go. So now we got more clear image here, but unfortunately it won't fix what you already painted, so you will have to paint it over, or yeah, do it all over again. And if you go to tool settings, it actually comes with some stencil mask, whatever it is. it comes with various other images like this. It's not a very good quality, but it will work for some minor details. So that is one way to go. And also it can be used for specular roughness, transmission, or whatever attribute you want to connect to. So that's it for this tutorial.